so cute. I wish that I could have a cat like you. Oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep on you. Ow! Ow! What the? Zoombird! That's Zapbird. Sorry, Zapbird! What? You had run over me! Sorry, I'm just exercising, and I just thought I would go around the house. Well, you should have known that before you even went into an accident. Now, me and my pet are trying to sleep. That's not your pet. Well, I don't know Dash right now, but Red does. So, why don't you just practice somewhere else? Okay, fine. Man, what is up with him? Alright, well, I'm going to sleep. This is a perfect day. Okay, well, now I'm bored. This is the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Because. Oh, wait, that's not how it goes. Whatever. Dun, 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 dun. What the? Zapbird? Ooh, hello. What are you doing here? That's a good question, but what are you doing here? I am really terrifying. Okay, one, that doesn't answer my question. And two, you're not terrifying. What if I can do this? Ah! Haunted noise! Ah! I love scaring other people. Wait a minute. He can't just make those noise. Somebody must have been helping them. I'm going. Oh, that was a good sound. I heard it again. Yeah, and nobody was there because I see him over there. I knew it. This is all hallucination. Oh, man, great job, Red. Yeah, that was pretty fun. And I like the sound effects too. Yeah, we can do other sound effects. Press B. Cool. Another creepy noise. Yeah. What? That's right, I'm back, and I don't know you're doing it fake. You didn't make your noise yourself. You had help. I don't know what you're talking. Sorry, couldn't help it. Fine, he helped me. Are you onto this? Well, not really, but someone else is onto it. Who else is onto it? But Who the heck is that? It's a minion. Oh my gosh! Oh no! Green space bird! Red! What happened? Get up here! Okay, what happened? Look what happened to him! What? Damn, dude, he got down by the minion! Really got down? Yeah, he really got down! Oh no! No, he might come after us next verse! Ah! What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, a pencil? This took me down really easily. Wait a minute. This seems wrong. Minions don't use pencils. Something is weird. Wait, where's my friends? I'm so scared. I know, man. Hey, guys, you're all great. Yeah. Oh, my gosh. Oh, no. What is he thinking of next? I'm going over there. You guys stay here. All right. All right. It's too dark. Let me get some light. All right. Yeah. Ow. Ow. It's blind. Alright, minion, you're coming with me. Fake minion. Batoy! So, who are you? Oh, of course it's you. Man. Of course it was you, because you like to draw with pencils. And also, you are smart. And you like being a genius. And also, you're fast. And Zapbird is. And Yeah, that just makes sense. You would have gotten away with it. It wasn't for you meddling bird. Hello, it's not a movie. This is real life. Wrong thing. Well, see ya.